Hello, welcome to a very sunny St Athan. According to my car, it's 27 degrees Celsius, which is a bit mental for Wales. Today I'm going to have a little stroll down to East Orchard Castle and take some video obviously. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Wish me luck. The remains of a chapel, or maybe just an old farm building. Should we have a little look once we get a bit closer? Again, down to my right is the old Aberfoyle power station. You can see all the pylons coming from it, and slightly to my right is Aberfoyle cement works, and then over there you can see Somerset, Devon, England, across the water, Bristol Channel. Looks like this. This is for doves, I believe. And again, it's rubbish. It really grinds my gears at people throw rubbish. Please don't. One of these is the remains of a chapel. I don't know what. I don't know which one. Again, it's been converted into farm buildings. I should walk around. Look at that. Impressive. Fireplace. Well, I enjoyed that. It was, again, just literally on my doorstep, not known about. Bit out of breath, but thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and all that jazz. Cheers.